quite unusual, quite tasty. It's an unusual flavour now, but it is quite nice now. I have to say it. Yeah, but I liked it.
Yeah, I like the flavour. It's not usually when you get sauce, they're pretty weak. I like the herbs.
It's fresh herbs.
Oh yeah.
Just the flavours are so good in it. Yeah, it's delicious.
We can move beyond these walls. I'll be your